We have a Miele KM5733 with an error message of FE32. Can you tell me what would be involved in repair so we can decide whether to get a repairman or a replacement?
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
Just comes up with the error code above when we go to turn it on.
Is there anything else the Whitegoods technician should be aware of?
No.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the Whitegoods technician about your situation and then connect you to
IT is a 600mm induction cooktop.
That error code means, cause defective connection cable. Defect on connection cable between filter/control electronic, 1N1/2N1 and power electronic, 1A3/2A3/3A3. Remedy: check the cable and plugs between the filter/control electronic, 1N1/2N1, and the power electronic, 1A3/2A3/3A3, and replace as necessary. Cause electronic fault. Remedy: check the power electronic, 1A3/2A3/3A3, side where FE is displayed, and replace it as necessary. Refer to removing the power electronic, 1A3/2A3/3A3, with heatsink, 0104.26. Check the filter/control electronic, 1N1/2N1, and replace it as necessary. C. Removing the filter/control electronic, 1N1/2N1, 0104.27. So basically it could be as simple as a defective cable between the control boards or the power board itself, but a technician would have to pull it apart to be able to say for sure, and there is labor involved, so it will cost you some money to find out which is bad, and all parts are ordered through Miele. They do not outsource their parts to any retailers. You would have to call around in your area to find a Miele technician and see what the labor rate is going to be to know if it's worth it or not. Obviously if it's just a cable it's worth it. The power board or filter boards are probably a few $100s each, so even in that case with parts and labor it will most likely be worth repairing. We are on the honor system here. Rating Miele does not affect what you agreed to pay for the question, and will not have any effect on what you have already been billed for unless you request a phone call. Feel free to get back to me with any questions you may have, but in the meantime I would appreciate you going ahead and rating the answer, as this is the only way I get compensated for my time. Thanks. After you have rated/voted the answer, you will be sent an email with a link that will allow you to get back to me for any follow-up questions free of charge. It will not close the question. Please know, I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. I am just a technician on the site that is here to help assist you and have nothing to do with billing. Note: please read. When you rate/vote my answer, you have to click on the star vote/rate system at the top of your screen. Thank you. Tips are not expected but are greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.